500,000 views on one upload, 26,000 subscribers from just 8 videos, an estimated $8,000 in 3 weeks, from a channel with no face, no camera, and zero editing skills. And here's the twist, the video you're watching right now was built the exact same way, in 5 minutes, with one AI tool. Stay till the end because I'm handing you the complete system, plus one final step 90% of this niche has never even heard of. And this isn't one lucky channel, it's a gold rush happening right now. 3 weeks old, 34 videos, 38,000 subscribers, top video at 193,000 views. Another channel, 12 videos, and one nightclub video ripped to 178,000 views in 13 days. Another posted its very first video 6 days ago and already crossed 35,000 views. New channels are exploding every single week, and the lane is still wide open. They're all making the same dead simple thing, economics of owning a business. Explainers. Some use basic stock footage. The rest use plain stick figure animation. That's it. That's the whole production. And they park themselves in YouTube's highest paying category, finance, where at an estimated $8 to $10 RPM, 100,000 views pays roughly $800 to $1,000. One video can out-earn a week at your job. But here's where I beat them all. The video on your screen right now looks better than every channel I just showed you, and I made it without 5 AI tools, without an editor, without leaving one chat window. Idea, script, visuals, finished video, thumbnail, all from a single Claude conversation, powered by one connector that gives Claude actual hands. If you can type a sentence, you can do this. One warning. The last step of this video is the silent engine behind every winning channel you just saw. Skip it and you'll copy the surface, miss the machine, and die at 300 views. Watch to the end, and the unfair advantage is yours. Step 1. Right now. Alright, step 1. And this is where most people already mess up, so watch closely. To build this entire video, you only need 3 prompts. That's it, 3. And I'm giving them to you for free. Just type "how to make economic video" in the comments below, and I'll send you the link with all 3 prompts. These 3 prompts are the complete factory: ideas, script, and visuals. Now here's how you use them. Copy the first prompt from the doc, head over to Claude, and paste it in. Remember, we're doing the entire process inside Claude. Every image, every scene, the complete video, it all happens right here in one chat. The second you hit enter, Claude spits out 10 ready-to-use topic ideas for your economics channel. 10 videos, planned in seconds. Pick whichever one you like. I'm picking this one. Copy it and paste it straight back into Claude. And now watch what happens, because this is the part I love. Claude asks you one simple question. How long should your video be? 60 seconds, 3 minutes, 5, 8, even 15 to 20 minutes if you want to go long. For this tutorial, I'm typing 3 minutes and hitting generate. And just like that, Claude starts writing your complete script, perfectly matched to the topic you picked. No writer, no hours of research, a finished script in under a minute. Once it's done, copy the whole script, open a fresh Google Doc, and paste it in. Then do one quick cleanup pass. Delete any extra labels or unwanted lines, and keep only the pure script. Trust me, this 30-second cleanup matters, because this exact doc is what powers the next step. And the next step is where this method leaves every other tutorial in the dust, because now we're turning this script into visuals without opening a single new tool. Let's go. Now for the part you've been waiting for, turning that script into actual visuals. And this is where Claude gets its hands. Go back to the Google Doc I'm giving you and click on tab 2. This is prompt number 2, image generation, one scene at a time. Copy the entire prompt, head back to Claude, and here's the key. Paste it in the same chat where your script is sitting. Same chat. That's important because Claude already knows your whole story. Hit generate and Claude instantly builds an image prompt for your first script paragraph. Then it asks, should I generate this image for you? And here's where 99% of people get stuck. Because Claude on its own can't create images. It needs a connector. One connector, and it takes 30 seconds to set up. Click the Higgsfield link in my description, and on the Higgsfield website, click MCP and copy the connector link. Now back in Claude, settings, connectors, add connector, then add a custom connector. Type the name, Higgsfield, paste the link you just copied, and hit add. Done. Higgsfield is now connected to your Claude, and this changes everything, because now Claude can generate images with GPT Image and full videos with Seedance without you ever leaving the chat. So I go back to my chat, where my first image prompt is waiting, type yes, and look at that. First image, ready, and this is where the system turns into a factory. Claude automatically asks, should I generate the image for the next paragraph? Type yes. It shows you the prompt. You approve it. Type yes again. Image done. Yes. Approve. Generated. Yes. Approve. Generated. You're not creating anymore, you're just approving. And if any image comes out wrong, one word fixes it. Type regenerate plus the image number, and Claude redoes just that one. No starting over, no wasted work. I ran this loop for every scene, and now Claude tells me, all images generated. My entire video is sitting in one chat as finished scenes. Every single image is ready. Now watch them come to life. Because here's the thing, still images don't go viral in this niche. Motion does. And this step is exactly why my video looks better than every channel I showed you at the start. Quick tip before we move, double check your images now. If any scene looks off, regenerate it before this step, because we're about to animate everything, and you don't even need to download a single image. Claude converts them into videos right inside the same chat. And notice the style. I generated clean, unique explainer scenes with simple characters, no copied stick figures, no random stock footage, a style nobody else in this niche has. The more unique your visuals, the harder your video hits. Now, back to the Google Doc. Tab 3, prompt number 3. Copy the whole thing, return to the same chat where all your images are sitting, paste it, and hit generate. And here's where it gets genuinely crazy. Claude reads your script, looks at each image, and writes a custom video prompt for every scene, matching the exact paragraph with the exact action. Then it asks, should I generate the video with Higgsfield? Type yes, and Seedance starts rendering your first video. It takes maybe 15 to 30 seconds. Wait for it, and there it is. First scene, fully animated, movement matched perfectly to the script. But typing yes for every single scene? Too slow. Here's the shortcut that turns this into a true machine. Type generate all remaining videos, one command, and Claude renders your entire video, scene after scene on autopilot. You can literally walk away, and the motion runs while you're gone. Got an error on a scene? Same fix as before. Type regenerate, plus the scene number, and only that scene gets redone. Nothing else is touched. So look at what just happened. Full script, every image, every animated scene, one chat, zero editing software. All your videos are ready, so run a quick quality check. Play each scene, and if anything looks off, you know the fix. Regenerate, done. Downloading takes seconds too. Hit the green download button on each video, open the link, 3 dots, download, 2 minutes, and your full video is on your device. But don't close that chat, because here comes the moment I promised you at the start. The step that decides whether your video gets buried or blows up. The thumbnail. In YouTube, the click comes before the view. These channels win because their thumbnails force the click. But never copy a competitor's thumbnail. The algorithm already rewarded the original, and clones get ignored. Instead, Claude asks, should I prepare thumbnail concepts? Say yes, and it hands you 5 fresh concepts built on what's proven in this niche. Want to get closer to a winning style? Feed Claude a competitor thumbnail as a reference, and it builds your own original version. Then the finishing move, one command. Generate all concepts with Higgsfield. 5 thumbnails render right in the chat. Pick the strongest, and you've got the same unfair advantage the big channels use. That's the full machine. Idea, script, images, animated scenes, 5 thumbnails, 1 chat, 5 minutes of work. Your video's built. Now let's give it a voice. Open that Google Doc with your script, clean out any empty gaps or leftover words, and copy the whole thing. Click the Higgsfield link in my description, click the audio option, paste your script, pick a voice you like from the free voices, and hit generate. 1 click to download, and you've got a professional voiceover without ever speaking a word. Last step, editing. And relax, because there's barely anything to edit. This is pure drag and drop. Open CapCut, import your clips and your voiceover, and drop the voiceover onto the timeline first. Listen through it once. If there are any silent gaps, cut them out because dead air kills retention. Then line up your clips on top of the voiceover, one by one, matching each scene to its paragraph. If any clip has background music fighting your voice, drop its volume to -20. That's it. Want to add a few zoom effects or transitions? Go for it. Don't want to? Just hit export, and your finished monetizable economics video is saved on your device. Look at what you just did. A complete faceless finance video, idea, script, visuals, animation, voiceover, thumbnail, that these channels are turning into thousands of views, and you built it in one Claude chat with one connector. The niche is wide open right now, but it won't stay that way. The channels that start this week are the ones that win. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. And remember, type how to make economic video in the comments to get all 3 prompts free. Everything else you need is in the description below.
You're standing at the checkout counter. You just bought a new refrigerator, $1,200. And the cashier asks, would you like to protect your purchase? For just $180, you're covered for 5 years. You think about it for 3 seconds. That's the price of a large pizza a month. Cheap insurance, peace of mind. You say yes. You just made the same decision millions of people make every single day, and it's costing you far more than $180. Here's the truth. Extended warranties aren't insurance against bad luck. They're a bet the company has already calculated you will lose. There isn't just one kind. There's the appliance warranty at the big box store, the phone protection plan at the carrier kiosk, the $3,000 extended car warranty, the home warranty plan mailed to new homeowners. Different products. Same math underneath. You're not buying protection from the store. The store almost never pays the claim. You're buying a policy underwritten by a third-party insurance administrator, a company you've never heard of, whose entire job is deciding what counts as